when I took the Chilson CX10 for the first time, it had a problem. When I opened the throttle to full, it went forward and left, and then down, so it couldn't be, you couldn't fly it. Now I have fixed the problem. As you can see, it flies perfectly. The problem, let me take it, the problem was that the blades, the angle of the blades were not the same. I fixed it. You must take all the blades and move them, the angle degree, to be the same. This with this and this with this. If one blade isn't bent the same as the other, let's see that, this with this, then it won't go straight up and will have a flight problem. The four blades should have the same degree angle, the bend. That's how you can fix that problem. And it is not a calibration problem.